Okay, so I don't know what the problem is, but I'm trying to run this little carve out here. And every time I do, when I get to line 35, it says, it just shuts off the whole machine. I tried to run it on my other CNC and it worked fine, but on this one, it's not working. I'm not seeing shorts or anything else like that. If I try to run it, let's go back to 0 here. I can move it like everywhere just fine all day long, but as soon as I run it, sorry, let me rewind it. Every time I run it, start off just fine. We'll start running like this. Line 35, it quits. What am I missing? Please help.